Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to another edition of the Late Night Tool Catechism. Got a question from someone that was watching the Yeswelder helmet video. Seems to have disappeared, but it was from an individual that called themselves the Boob Seeker. Interesting name. Wanted to know, will you be able to use the Yeswelder helmet with a respirator? I don't know. So I use several types of respirators myself at work and at home, and I've got three here. The standard double cloth. This is actually pretty nice for just basic dustiness, and to wear to the Walmart when you want to maintain your anonymity. So obviously that doesn't take, it fits close to the face, the cloth one. Probably not really the best as far as what you're going to deal with welding. But you definitely can wear it while you're welding. The second that I have is your basic 3M, the N95. These are pretty darn good. And, they don't stand too proud of the face. So this one is dusty. This one should work. Well, you can kind of get it, but there is definite interference. It's okay. It ain't great. And then I have my 3M half mask that I use a lot at work, cutting and grinding, a bit of welding. I don't think this is going to fit under this particular welding helmet very well. It is a nice setup. This half, I don't know how well you can hear with it closed. This half mask is made by 3M. It's got the filters on there specifically for welding smoke and the sort of dust and corruption you produce when you're cutting and grinding steel. I like it a lot. Well, it isn't great, but it can be done. So I would say I also have a full face, specifically for the grinding and cutting, which is nice, but obviously will not fit under this helmet because it's a full face. So I'm going to say, the half mask does mostly fit under the Yeswelder helmet, and it works okay. So far, I've had this Yeswelder for about 6 months, and paid about $89 for it with You know, Amazon always has click this deal for X% off and such. It is a very decent $89 helmet. The view is nice. It's okay. For what I use it for here in my home shop, it is good. I would recommend it for that application. Again, if you have any questions, ask away. I'll try and answer them. Like and follow. Thank you for watching.